So I asked a bunch of people to try my very favorite fruit that I grow out in my garden.
What is it?
What is this?
What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
What is this?
This is a fruit that a lot of people have never heard of. Stay tuned till the end because we are going to give away a free packet of seeds to one lucky viewer. I actually just discovered this in 2020 and it very quickly became my very favorite fruit. In past years, I have never grown more than one plant at a time, and so the fruit never makes it out of the garden with me. This year, I really wanted to have enough to share with my friends and family. I made sure to start lots of seeds so that I would have multiple plants going. Can you guess what it is?
Tastes like a raspberry.
It tastes like a cross between mandarin oranges and kiwis.
Tastes like strawberries to me.
Kind of like a strawberry.
Tastes almost chocolatey.
Chocolatey.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, chocolatey.
Kiwi?
They're really sweet.
Savory. Savory.
It was good.
So if you guessed the ground cherry, you would be correct. A lot of people don't even know what ground cherries are. That's why I asked various people to try the fruit and let you know what they think it tastes like, so that if you are unfamiliar with it, you can have an idea of whether or not it might be something that you would like. Personally, I think it tastes just like a cross between a pineapple and a kiwi, but it has the texture of like a seedless grape. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you are interested in growing ground cherries yourself, we have written a complete grow guide for you over on our website at secondmilejourney.com. If you are interested in trying to win the free seed packet we're giving away, be sure to comment below and let us know you enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching.